Welcome to our channel. A verification letter from Wells Fargo confirms your account details and can be used for loan applications, employment verification, or other official purposes. Step 1. Determine what type of verification letter you need. Common types include proof of account, proof of funds, or proof of deposit history. Step 2. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account at wellsfargo.com. Step 3. Navigate to Customer Service or Help and Support from the main menu. Step 4. Look for request documents or verification letters in the service options. Step 5. Select the type of verification letter you need and the specific account it should reference. Step 6. Provide details about what information should be included, such as current balance, account opening date, or average balance. Step 7. Choose your delivery method. Letters can typically be sent via secure message in online banking, email, or mailed to your address. Step 8. For faster service, visit a Wells Fargo branch in person. Bring valid ID and account information. Step 9. Request the verification letter from a banker. They can often print it immediately on official letterhead. Step 10. Alternatively, call Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-869-3557 to request a verification letter by phone. Processing typically takes 3 to 5 business days for mailed letters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.